Show them how you make dumpling. A regular water you use it. So we're gonna pour it in. Coconut. Blessing Nation, welcome back to another video, people, with Yahman Family TV. People, we are out here and we have fear. So today, people, we are gonna do some coconut dumpling. What I mean coconut dumpling, we are gonna grate the coconut and use the coconut juice to knead the flour or the dough. You see me? So that we are gonna do today with some jack mackerel, people. You see me? And also we are gonna fry some lobster as well. Alright, so we are gonna do some lobster. Don't watch if me not trim, I soon trim, people. Don't worry yourself, soon trim. You see me? So that I go on today, so we are gonna show you the things that we have to use and things. So we have the mackerel right here, so we have that big onion here, what we get from a church brother. And we have with sweet pepper, regular pepper, with coconut, and we have a yam. We don't live in a country, so we can't go dig no yam. You see me, and the oil and everything, and the grater. So that we are gonna do today, that we are gonna match up. So wanting the guys stay tuned and watch it and watch what go on. You see me? Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. So now me I go catch a fire. So let me see if me can catch a fire today. Alright? Just watch it. Some cool and night already. I hope you can do it. What you say, Sky? Make it blaze up. Here's the miniation. Alright, people, so we're going to get the coconut ox up here now. You know, want to see any ox it out? So I'm going to deal with that you know. Yeah. Just like that. So we'll get it ox out here now. Alright, people, so them coconut here can't use them upon the grater. Cause them soft, the skin of them soft. Them you have to more like use in a blender. When you try ox them out, of them type of way it come on. So it's harder to grate upon the grater. So you have to use them then in a blender. So I'm gonna get some different coconut. So yeah, when you get the coconut, then you have to get the shell them like fully brown. The one when the mistake when I did make, I did get the shell like the shell white. Yeah man, them are just ox. You have to get them type of shell coconut. You see me? Them are more harder one. So I gotta get them here burst and ox them out. Alright people, so I'm gonna get in some water in a pot. And chuck it on the fire. That is enough. See coconut here, people. Two of them me go use. Them two coconuts. So I burst them in the pan. They are more harder. I shell them, I take them, I ox them. Then sky they out here, people. Just like that, you see me? So me ox them. Yeah. So look, how that one here look. So back at it stay, me show you the next one. So this is the first coconut. This is the first coconut I did buy. So I have to go back go buy that one here. That one here the harder coconut. That one here not fully done hard coconut for grater. It still can use no, but you have to blend it. That one here can't grate. That one here harder for grater. So I go ox out the rest. So stay tuned and watch what I go on. Last one left, people. People, we're going to rinse them off here now and then start grater them. See there? Throw off the water there, the water here. Nice and proper. So we are going to grate them now, alright? So come in. Long time I not grate a coconut, you know, people. So, but I think that's your grate type. Just like that, you see me, nation? Sky, tell the people them hi.
Hi. I'm bicycle.
So yeah, it's a great to come on proper, people. As I say, we are make some coconut dumpling and we are go we are grated the coconut and we got juice it and we gonna use the juice need the flour. You see me? As I was saying. So that we are gonna do. And which part I see this Color Summit TV. You guys can check them out as well. I think I left them somewhere on the screen and also in the description. So you can check them out. Them do some crazy cooking. So then we get the idea from, alright? So, yeah man. So I go and grater. So I catch you guys back. when me finish greater them, alright? So just go and watch the video. So yeah people, last one left. So get it out. People, it's not easy for grate a coconut, none time at all. All who remember grating coconut when them little bit, comment down below. If you don't use one of them grater here, see it here? If you don't use one of them here, comment down below. Cause everybody's supposed to use one of them grater here when them grew up in Jamaica. Grater coconut for Sunday dinner. I said grater used to use to do everything. Used to use to grate a coconut. You make any type of juice, plum juice, apple juice. People used to use grater for grater them there. Enough people get cut on them finger here. So them finger here where you use all the grater, where you use coconut, enough time. Now see a whole heap pound is supposed to get grater cut. See a line, huh? If you never use one of them grater here growing up in Jamaica, you're not Jamaican. You're not real Jamaican. Alright. See then, now we're gonna add some water to it and juice it. Say yes no man. Pour our water like that. Just like that. See there? Water day and night. Just wash off the grater. Just like that. Mix it round. Look like I put too much water in it, you know. Alright, so now we are going to strain it off and thing. You see me, we are going to strain it off now, people. Just like that. Right. Look at the juice coming out of it. Now see that people? Tell me so when I see it. When I see me down there, so when I see me from down there, so? Or when I see me from right here, so? well juice. Alright, we go straight on for rest. Want to know, stay tuned, watch what I go on, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Catch you guys back. Deal with the flour, alright? Do the right thing. We used to add sugar to this and eat it, right? If you do remember that, comment it down below. If you remember adding sugar to this when you're done grate it, when you're a little juvenile grow up and you're done grater them here, you add sugar to it and you eat it. If you remember that, just comment it down below. Alright people? One love. What we're gonna do now, we're gonna knead up the flour with the coconut juice. See pan ya? See flour ya? Caramel and the coconut juice over here so. Alright Sky?
Yeah.
You wait for the food?
Yes. I feel no dot.
You wait for the dinner? Coconut juice this you know? It's gonna need the flour. So yeah people, we're gonna knead up the flour you know. In pan ya so. Cut the bag. Just like that. Pour some caramel. We're gonna add some salt. We have a coconut juice right there so. Right there say coconut juice there. So we're gonna pour it in. We're probably not use all of this coconut juice called olive. We're gonna do some roll and press like what Colors say. Colors, big up yourself if you watch that video. You hear me G? You may get the idea from to make coconut dumpling. I wonder if I can taste the coconut itself in the flour. But let us see. No roll and press me in the car. I'm not sure if I can do roll and press, so I'm gonna make dumpling like how me know, like how me normally make it. Is it me nation? So, me have an idea now. I think I see them do this as well. So, I'm going to add some of the coconut water, like the one we left over. I'm going to add it to the water, to the boiling water for it boil. Add some of it to it and cook the flour down in that. Alright? Then pour the water, the coconut juice in the pot for it boil up. And then them add and use some of it to knead the flour. Look at this, nice and properly, alright? So we're gonna make it ready. Sky says she want one. I don't know what she's gonna do. She's gonna make make our own dumpling.
Yeah.
Alright people, so we have one banana tree in the yard. We're gonna look some banana off of that. So now just forward with me. I'm gonna look to cut a banana. So one here just a bus. But another one here we are cut to just chop off a limb. So see next one round here, so this we are cut it off of people. For this we are gonna cook. Somebody this try the hand. I'm gonna cut the onion around here, so alright. Wanna hold the camera from the sky? Hold it up high. Yeah people. Sky are the camera girl.
Then is this.
Mm-hmm.
That's it down the bottom.
Yes, Sky. Hold it from the banana and let them see it. A Sky, I hold the camera. So this we cut off of the bunch of banana right there. So we'll go back inside and match out the rest of the food, alright? So yeah people, we're gonna peel the banana and the yam right now. The next camera battery die. So we're just right here, so now go see me again. Now go see me over there, so. Or over there, so. Now go see me right here, so. And now go see me there, so. Nor there, so. Nor there, so. Just right here, so. So make sure someone now watch good. A lot of people peel banana different. Right? There's many ways to peel it. And the reason why people peel it different, one of the reasons they don't want to get any stain on their hands. Alright? So what you can do, you can add oil to the banana water. If you don't want to get stain on your hand, and make sure that it banana there in the water. Right? And other people they peel it underneath the pipe. So meanwhile them peel it, the water run and it a wash, but that a water bill money, alright? So these are the cheapest way and better way. If you don't want to get no stain on your hand. Especially the ladies. Don't want to get them fingernail nasty up by banana stain. Just add some coconut oil. You hear me about coconut water? Coconut oil, I mean. To the water that you have the banana them in. And them never stain up. This is how I cut my banana them up, then I push the knife through, not just barely, just underneath the skin, you know. You're not gonna push the knife deep down inside of the banana. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do to all of my banana, and then I'm gonna take off the skin. Peel, run it to the side, just the point to the side, and then you cut. Then you cut. I think all of them is done. So now, oops. Now we peel off the skin. People, me catch you guys back when I done peel off them banana here. Cause I don't want you to get bored. They just watch me peel banana. So you see me? So check in back when I done peeling. Like, I don't take long. By a quint, I gotta say yeah, I'm finished. So when I tell you people say by a quint, the banana then done peel. See there? Then done peel. Finish. I don't go peel the yam yet, because I don't want to peel the yam and put it down. Normally when you peel the yam and put it down, it changes color. I don't want it to change the color. So I go check the pot and see if the water boil up. If that boil up, we go add in the flour. Remember, you know, people always add in the flour first, add banana and yam last. Right? Yeah, man. Then we cook and mash out if you add them in first. The dumpling can cook all till all morning. Them now mash out and then now get soft. So remember, add them your last. Yeah, man. We are checking on the pot. You know want to come see in there? Alright, forward with me. We go look in the pot. Come look in the book. See that like, coconut juice a bubble up in that, you know, people. So the dumpling them can go in that, you know. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to wash my hand them and come add in some flour in that. Say yes, no, man. Alright, people, so I'm going to get my hand them wash now. So I'm going to make the flour. Can't do roll and press up, but I saw me make my dumpling them like this. Just fold them in and then I roll. And then I press like that. Just like that. Throw them in the pot. There, you know. I do a one YouTube video. Yeah. So yeah, people. Just like that we make it. Throw it in a pot. So we gonna see in a pot, man. You just know, see, I just throw me alone a record. Can't get to see in a pot while me I throw them in, but so me make my roll and press them. Colors, I saw my roll and press them looking in. Them not ugly, you know. Don't get me wrong, you know. Cause I don't eat ugly dumpling. But I make my roll and press them different. Just like that. Me fold them in, colors just roll them. Me fold and roll. So we call it fold and roll press. So watch what I go on. Here what I go on now. So we catch you guys back when we done to the last side, alright? Remember, you know, people, do the right thing. Colors, big up yourself if you watch this again. Alright. What you doing, Sky? See Sky over here making her dumpling. Show them how you make dumpling. That's how you make it? You know, people, I'm gonna add some salt and then I'm gonna add in the banana and I'm gonna peel the yam through in the pot, alright? And again, we Jamaican, we don't really do the measurement thing. We just pour salt till our ancestors tell us to stop, or seasoning anything we do, we just pour till our ancestors them tell us to stop. Right, so that's go on. But this amount of salt I put in it. It looks like too much salt. It looked like too much salt, so I did chew off some of the salt. So I add all of that when I show you guys a while ago. So now I'm gonna add in the banana them, alright? Just like that. Yeah man, no worries man, I'm not gonna see pack man, just hold on. Alright, banana. Cover it up a little bit. I peel the yam. Hold on man, I soon make gonna see it. It's yellow yam. You can see the yellow. Alright. Yam look like enough people. Good enough people. Some part of yam now look so wonderful. So them part I'm gonna cut off them part here and show it here. I'm gonna show you part now. Like them part here, see them thing here? I good enough good one. Still I cut it out. Right, nice and proper, so I'm gonna dice it up and show it in my pot. Just like that. So now I'm going to make it in the pot. And store it, I'm going to see it. Right, see in the pot here. And the coconut juice make the pot look whitey like that. For regular water you use it now and go whitey like that. So the coconut juice, alright? Just like that people. Store that. Look how dumpling pretty. Bomba! Say yes na man. Alright, you cover that down, make that go and cook and thing. Alright, so what you are going to go on now people? I'm going to clean up back my area and then I'm going to start cut up the season them for going at the mackerel. Because remember say a jack mackerel we are cook. See it here? Jack mackerel, that we are cook with the coconut juice dumpling them, you see me? So yeah man, so go and watch what go on, but think please, alright? Yes no man. So get some water, go and move the camera, and just wash off. Wash up the place, people. Outdoor kitchen. So now we're going to wash up the seasoning them. Onion really very nice, but them there. And cooking board. So that are going people. You are watching and subscribe it. You subscribers yet? Yes man, you would just jump on the video and you know subscribe or like the video. Like up the video man. See that? Yes man, like up the video. Alright? So we have a sweet pepper right here, so bust that in half. Right? Wash off the knife here. Alright, so back at it again. Wipe off my knife. Cause two knives I use. So I cut out the seeds them out of the sweet pepper. Just like that. Throw it back in the water for wash it out. Wash it off. And as I say people, I'm a chef. I try a thing. Right, so put the pepper. Right, moving the water away. So them seasoning have to go on the mackerel, isn't it? Just like that. What's the next one? And you can see the people, food are wicked. It's not bad. Remember you lady we are watching video and you don't like it yet. Drop a like on the video now, man. Look on them onion here, people. Look at it. So them big. Some nice size onion. And I use a big piece here. I use a small piece here. Wash it off. Alright? Nice. So the onion here we get it from one of our subscriber them, aka church brother. Blessings to you, Michael. You watch that video. Thank you for the onion them. I don't just want him giving the people whole heap of them and grow them on him farm. Thanks again, Michael. So them are the things them we're gonna make a dash for them and forward back. Alright? Don't move enough, soon come, don't move. Thank you for waiting, I'm back. So them here, let's just put them in another little bowl here till I'm ready for fry them up. You can add other things to your mackerel, make it nice and thing, other seasoning, but I just them here. You can add tomato and all of them things here. Anything you want to add to it, just add your seasoning and thing. So people, remember people, please watch up the video, please share it up with your family and friends, people. And remember, if you're not subscribers yet, please subscribe. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. We're happy to have you around, right? And just remember, people, keep on like up the video, alright? Comment, alright? We catch you guys back when we take off the pot and I fry up them here, alright? Enough love. Looking at that, tell me say that no look good. Something then look tasty, you know. Taste if you cook. Yeah man, see it, banana them mash out, nice. So from the banana them mash out, everything cook. Right? There we go. Take off the cover. Good. Fine. From the yam cook, everything cook. You never have to say from the banana cook, everything cook. Now I have to taste the dumpling. See there? Yes, so I go. I go take that off. Yeah, no. You see me? I go take that off, you know, and chew on the mackerel pot. Like up the video. Myself like up the video and share it. Yeah, you may talk. Yeah, laugh. Alright, we take off the pot here. So yeah, people, we're gonna throw some of the oil in the pot here now. Some vegetable oil in the pot. You see me? So just watch that. Now can you see pot? See pot, you wanna see it? Alright. The middle part of the bone. I normally come in them mackerel, I don't really like it. Shadow I go come eat that. Normally. take them out. Don't watch that with me at right. Then I like crush it out. Like that. Then I go add in some black pepper in it. So it look nice and proper. Alright, so we get the plate them now, so there we go. Take off this and start share some of them coconut dumpling. Banana them soft. Mon and Nana them not eat all for dumpling, so I give them 2 dumplings. Drop piece of yam in my plate. Piece of yam. Nathaniel now, him will eat dumpling. He not gonna eat the yam nor the banana. That the man don't like. So we're gonna get off the mackerel off our fire, you know. Just like that. So yeah, my people, see there? Food done and everything. So I'm gonna dig in it and tell you guys how it tastes. I tell you if it tastes good, I'm gonna tell you. Cause first I try the coconut dumpling. I see colors them do it. Them say it tastes good, so I taste it with the gravy first. No sir. The dumpling tastes like coconut. You can taste the coconut juice in the dumpling. If you ever cook rundown or eat rundown with coconut juice and salt mackerel, yeah. So dumpling taste. This is a banana alone, the meat on the banana. So I go try it. Yeah man, just like it. Colors and theme, yo, this bad. Thanks to inspiration. And I definitely gotta try more food than when I see colors them cook. Food are bad. You know what I want to try? When I see them cook fever grass stew pork. I want to try that. Tell them how it tastes, how food tastes. Come tell them, talk to them, see them right? Talk to them, come in front of them and talk to them.
Hi.
Make them know, tell them how food tastes.
And tonight.
The food tastes good? Tell them say it tastes good.
Tested.
Yeah man, the food shot people.
I liked it.
So I'm saying people, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. We are out here, and if you guys like this video, just drop a like on it. Alright? And subscribe. Nina there to Nina, go dig in a few around and make you see what I go on. I go show her, hold on. God. Food bad people. Yeah, I eat with spoon. I put here. Dumpling taste any different?
Look a bit.
You didn't taste the coconut in it? So you got it people, the food shot. So you guys can try. So people may go finish mash up the food, yeah. So thank you guys for watching and stay till the food done cook. And me eat some of it. So me catch you guys in the next video. Probably we there on river. Probably there right outside the outdoor kitchen. Alright? Enough love and respect. Food nice. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Are still there? What's going on? Yo, later, later. I think Mono did gone. Alright, enough love here. Catch you soon next week. See you in the next video.